Hello Southgate, Michigan. Locked out or need a locksmith you can count on? Look no further. Welcome to Immediately Locksmith, your trusted, professional locksmith service right here in Southgate. 24-hour Locksmith Southgate, Michigan is open 24/7 at the most affordable price. Early in the mornings, evenings, weekends, and even on holidays, we are there for you when you need us. The speediest answer time with just 15 minutes response time makes us the fastest in the region. Choose Immediately Locksmith for prompt, expert services. Ready to experience hassle-free locksmith solutions? Call us now at 313 329 6063 or visit our website at www.immediatellylocksmith.com.